Now, let's talk about the incubator hedge fund structure. Remember, initially we mentioned that the hedge fund is just a fancy word for a partnership, and the investors become your partners. Now, if the hedge fund is a partnership, are most hedge funds formed just as general partnership? The answer is no, they're not general partnerships. If we just form a general partnership, each member would have unlimited liability. So what is the workaround? The workaround is that we create two different entities. First, we create a management company through a limited liability company. And second, we create that partnership through something called a limited partnership. And again, this is not a general partnership, but we create something called a limited partnership. Now, let's get more into the management company or the limited liability company that we're going to create.